underneath the sun's gentle sway, on the sandy shore where the ocean makes the bay. We share a moment, just you and I, dreaming of a delight where love will never die. We ever were, our hearts are lit as we build a future, yours and mine. From raving birds to confidence in each other's arms under the silver moon. Through every laugh, through every tear, our love will forever fair. In this world, this wide and free, forever together. You and me, you and me. We ever were, our heart aligned as we build a future, yours and mine. From raising birds to comfort turns in each other's arms under the silver moon.